In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump to a section on Wix. This is a handy feature when you want to create a more interactive experience on your website, guiding visitors directly to specific sections without the need for endless scrolling. Let's dive into the process, step by step. First, we need to create the element that will trigger the jump. This element can be anything, but the most common choice is a button, thanks to its visibility and intuitive design. So, for this demonstration, I'm going to add a simple eyeball button. After you've added your button, you'll have the freedom to drag it around and position it exactly where you want it on your web page. Take a moment to get the placement just right, ensuring it's prominent enough for users to notice. Once you've got your button in place, the next step is to set the link. Click on the button, and you should see a link icon appear. Give that a click, and you'll see several options. Since we're aiming for a jump to a particular section within the same page, select Section or Anchor. This option allows us to specify our desired location on the page, making it a seamless experience for visitors. After selecting Section or Anchor, you can choose the exact page you want your button to jump to. For our purposes, we want it to remain on the current page. Once you've confirmed the page, you'll be prompted with a question: where on the page? Here, you'll see a list of sections and anchors you've created. Simply select the section to which you want the button to jump. In this example, I'll choose the test section I've already set up. Remember, it's crucial that the section or anchor you're jumping to is clearly defined and named, so you can easily identify it in this list. With everything linked up, it's time to test our handiwork. Head over to the top right part of your screen and hit the preview button. Entering preview mode allows you to interact with the elements you've set up, just as a visitor would. Find your button, give it a click, and watch as it jumps directly to the section you've designated. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations. You've successfully set up a jump link on your Wix site. And that's all there is to it. Implementing this feature can significantly enhance your site's user experience, encouraging greater engagement by making navigation straightforward and efficient. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you harness the power of seamless section jumps on your future Wix projects. Happy creating!